welcome back to Try New Things, where today we're going to be reviewing a new product I just picked up. Now, if you're anything like me and you're working out at the house or the farm, you've always got your earbuds in, listening to your favorite show, your favorite podcast channel, whatever it is, also to listen for phone calls. Now, I wear these all the time when I'm mowing the lawn or running the tractor. But I do need a little bit more hearing protection than just the earbuds that I have in. So I have been using these steel ear muffs that I typically use when I'm chainsawing, that kind of thing. But I put them over my ears with the earbuds in, and it allows me to hear things better. Now the problem I've been having is we've been having such warm weather out here at the farm that my earmuffs, the glue has come off. And these start to twist and turn on your ears. They're not really stuck on there anymore. I also find I sweat really bad in these, and my earbuds actually fall out and are trapped inside the cup. Fortunately, trapped inside the cup. So I thought I would look for something different, and that's what we're going to be reviewing today. So even though I really enjoy my earbuds, I thought I'd be looking for something that provides me the extra sound protection that I'm used to from the steel earmuffs that I've been using. But maybe I can do two things at once and eliminate the earbuds while still having the earmuffs. And what I found on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below, is this here. This set of Walker Bluetooth headphones. Now it also comes with a boom mic, which typically I'm not going to need, but you'll be surprised how often you stop because you're getting a phone call either on the mower or the tractor, and this will allow you to take that important phone call on the fly without taking off your earmuffs. So maybe it's a good thing at the end. But these were a pretty good deal on Amazon, not too expensive. But I'm going to do my best to do a review of these. I don't know how it's going to turn out in video format because it has to do with sound. But let me open up the package, show you what the earmuffs look like, then we're going to try them out. So maybe I should have read the description on Amazon a little bit better. I automatically assumed with any Bluetooth device these days that they'd be USB chargeable. These aren't USB chargeable. They do run on 3 AAA batteries, which to me isn't a bad thing. I find that things on batteries actually run longer, but you do have to replace the batteries once in a while. Easy enough, simple enough to pair to your phone. The power button, which was kind of a surprise, I had to go back to the instructions, but you actually have to push in the volume button for 2 seconds and then they come on. But they're a really nice fit. They cancel a lot more noise than those steel ones do. I'll probably wear these with my chainsaw as well. Not sure if I'll be able to hear my podcast over a chainsaw, but we'll certainly be able to hear it clearly over the mower or the tractor. So here's a look at the fit. Completely adjustable strap, which is very comfortable, nice and wide. And I have tried it out. The sound is very clear. I know you're going to have to take my word for it because there's no way I can show you that. But I think I'm going to be very happy with these new earmuffs. Also, I don't have to worry about my ears sweating inside and my earbuds falling out because I don't have to wear them. I can listen to my phone with this. But the next thing we're going to do is just run around a little bit here and mow some leaves and try them out. So there you have it. It would listen quite well to my podcast on my new Walkers headphones. So if you're in the market for some noise cancellation or a way to listen to music or take phone calls or whatever it is other than listening to the droning sound of a tractor or a zero turn, if you're looking for something that's affordable, that works really well, I will recommend Walkers. They're not a sponsor of this in whatever way, just what I picked on Amazon to suit my needs, and it does. So if you have any questions or comments about this video or any of my other videos, please leave them down below. Don't forget to hit like, and most importantly, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye.